Hi everyone! I'm so excited to show this DIY costume inspired by Princess Aurora of Sleeping Beauty. My daughter's birthday is coming so soon and this will be her gown. But before we jump in, let me shout out to Gacha Genie 0803. Thank you for supporting my channel. So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that red button. Let's begin with preparing our fabric. Two-tone or glittered satin, dark pink regular satin, and light pink and white royal satin. Let's start with the skirt. Fold the fabric lengthwise, then crosswise. I am using the full length of the fabric, so I just went on and measured it from the pointed edge, making the marks until I created an arc form on the fabric. Connect the marks and trace to draw an arc. Pin the fabric together following the arc line, then cut. This is to ensure the fabric won't move while you cut. Measure another arc line at the top of the skirt to make a waistline. With the light pink fabric, just cut 1/4 from it, then fold lengthwise, then crosswise. Put the previous skirt on top to trace the arc line, then cut. Fold it again to have a symmetrical cut. For the bodies, just cut a rectangular fabric for both the dark pink and white fabric. Of course, get your measurements first. Assemble the cut fabric together to have a partial look. Now, let's go to my temporary sewing station and thread the mini sewing machine. Pin the three fabrics together at the waist part of the dress in this particular position. The dark and light pink fabric are in wrong sides together. Then begin sewing. Here's how it looks. Fold the opening of the bodies where the zipper will be attached, then pin and sew. Also, sew the bust line of the bodies. But later in the making, I realized I had to rework and fold again the seams of the zipper area to have a cleaner finish. I am using an invisible zipper for this dress. To make the off-shoulder sleeves, Fold the white fabric wrong sides together, then sew. Turn it inside out so the satin surface is showing. Iron it down, then pin into the bodice by finding the center first. The other two pins mark the front of the armpits. The idea is to wrap the white fabric around the bodice, but I cut it short and I don't want to go back to the process, so this is what happened. This is a bit tricky, so it's up to you how you make this part. I pinned the white fabric into the bodice exactly where the arm goes. Then, insert an elastic band. But before inserting it, sew the casing wider than the elastic. After the elastic is inserted, gather the white fabric to make a ruffled look. Sew the elastic and fabric together with a zigzag stitch. Here's how it looks. Put some embellishments like tiny flower, which I got from my daughter's hair accessories. Add the silver linings and the bodice by using a fabric glue, but insert a sheet of paper first before doing so. Finally, sew the hemline. And here's the finished product, DIY costume for Princess Aurora.